हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे इंग्लिश जो कि आती है यूपीएससी के एग्ज़ाम्स पर। ये कंपलसरी के बारे में आ रही। टाइम अलॉटेड इसमें होता है 3 आवर्स और मैक्सिमम मार्क्स इसमें 300 का होता है। तो ये क्वेश्चन पेपर स्पेसिफिक इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं प्लीज जो कि आपको हमेशा दिए जाते हैं। इनके सबके इंग्लिश के आपको आंसर देने। फिर है राइट एन ऐसे इन अबाउट 600 वर्ड्स ऑन एनी वन टॉपिक। A number impact of politics on society, or B number e-commerce a win-win situation for all, or C number harassment of women at workplaces. D number does the Indian cinema reflect social reality? और फिर नेक्स्ट है read carefully the passage given below and write your answers to the questions that follow in clear, correct and concise language। तो ये 15 × 5 75 का है ये क्वेश्चन। ए डिजर्ट इज ए बैरन एरिया ऑफ लैंड वेयर लिटिल precipitation occur and consequently living conditions are threatening for plants and animal life. The lack of vegetation exposes the vulnerable surface of the ground to the process of denudation. About one-third of the land surface of the world is arid or semi-arid. Deserts are usually hot and barren places, yet they are also beautiful. A few plants, rocks, and dusty red-brown soil make up the ingredient of most North American deserts, where there is sufficient food and water for certain animals to survive. Deserts cover more than one-fifth of the Earth's land, and they are found every continent. A place that receives less than 10 inches of rain per year is normally considered a desert. They are part of a wider classification of regions called dryland. These areas exist under a moisture deficit, which means they repeatedly lose more moisture through evaporation than they receive from annual precipitation. Deserts are biologically rich habitats with a vast array of animals and plants that have adapted to harsh conditions. There, some deserts are among the planet's last remaining areas of total wilderness, yet more than 1 billion people, one-sixth of the Earth's population, actually lives in the desert regions. Despite the common notion of deserts as dry and hot, there are cold deserts as well. One famous dry and hot place in the world, with no visible rock or plant and barely any water, is the Sahara Desert. It is the largest hot desert in the world that reaches temperature of up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. Some deserts are very cold, like the Gobi Desert in Asia and the desert on the continent of Antarctica. Only about 10% of the desert are covered by sand dunes. The driest deserts get less than half an inch of participation each year, and that is from condensation fog. Or desert animals have adjusted ways to help them keep cool and use less water. Camels, for example, can go for days without food and water. The hump store the hump stores fat, which can be used as both a food and a water sources for animal when the going gets low. Camels also have thick hair in their ears for keeping out sand. They also sport closable nostrils, an eye membrane, and white feet that act like snowshoes in the land. Desert plants may have to go without fresh water for years at a time. Some plants have adapted to the arid climate by growing long roots that tap water from deep underground. Other plants, such as Cacti have special means of storage and conserving water. Many desert plants can live to be hundreds of years old. Some of the world's semi-arid regions are turning also into deserts at an alarming rate. This process, known as desertification, is not caused by by drought, but usually arises from the demands of human population that settles on the semi-arid lands to grow crops and graze animals. The pounding of the soil by the hooves of livestock may degrade the soil and encourage erosion by wind and water. Global warming also threatens to change the ecology of deserts. Higher temperature may produce an increasing number of wild fish that alter desert landscape by eliminating slow growing trees and shrubs and replacing them with fast growing grasses. तो आपके क्वेश्चंस दिए गए ये नंबर है एक्सप्लेन व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय बैरन एंड ड्राई लैंड। तो इसको आपको आंसर लिख के देना है। व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय रिच हैबिटेट्स? हाउ हैव डिजर्ट्स एनिमल एंड प्लांट्स इन एरिड क्लाइमेट adopted themselves to the use of less water? D number describe the process of dis- desertification. और ई नंबर है व्हाट आर द camels two most visible features that make it perfect for deserts? और क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है मेक ए प्रिसाइज of the following following passage in about one third of the its length. Do not give a little to it. The precise should be written in your own language. The means may be equated to a seed, the end to a tree, and there is just the same inviolable connection between the means and the ends as there is between the seed and the tree. I am not likely to obtain the result following from the worship of God by laying myself prostrate before Satan. If therefore anyone were to say, I want to worship God, it does not matter that I do so by means of Satan, and it would be set down as ignorant folly. We reap exactly as we sow. If I want to deprive you of your watch, I said certainly have to fight for it. If I want to buy your watch, I shall have to pay uh, I shall pay you for it, I and if I want to it as a gift, I shall have to plead for it the according to the means I employ. The watch is a stolen property, my own property, or a donation. Thus, we see three different results from three different means. Will you still say the means do not matter? Let us proceed a little further. A well armed man has stolen your property. You have harbored the, the, the thought of his act. You are filled with anger. You argue that you want to punish that rogue, not for your own sake, but for your neighbors. You have collected a number of armed men. You want to take his house by assault. He is duly informed of it. He runs away. He too is in license. He collects his brother's robbers and sends you a defiant message that he will commit robbery in broad daylight. You are strong. You do not fear him. You are prepared to receive him. Meanwhile, the robbers pesters your neighbors. They complain before you. You reply that you are doing all for their sake. You do not mind that your own good have been stolen. Your neighbors reply that the robber never preferred them before and that he commenced the defendation only after you declare hostilities against him. You are between Shaikla and crab dish. You are full of pity for the poor man. What they say is true. What are you to do? You will be disgraced if you now leave the robbers alone. You therefore tell the poor man, never mind, come, my wealth is yours. I will give you arms. I will train you how to use them. You should belabor the rogue. Don't you leave him alone. And so the battlegrounds to robbers increased in numbers. You neighbors have deliberately but themselves to inconvenience. Thus the result of wanting to take revenge upon to the robbers is that you have disturbed your own peace. You are in perpetual fear of being robbed and assaulted. Your courage has given place to cowardice. If you patiently examine to the argument, you will see that I have not overdrawn the pictures. This is one of the means. Now let us examine to the others. You said disarmed robbers drown as an ignorant brothers. You intend to reason with him at a suitable opportunity. You argued that he is after all a fellow man. You do not know what promised him to steal. You therefore decide that when you can, you will destroy the man's motive for stealing. Whilst you are thus reasoning with yourself, the man comes again to steal. Instead of being angry with him, you take pity on him. Henceforth, you keep your doors and windows open. You change your sleeping place and you keep your things in a manner most accessible to him. The robbers comes again and he confused as all this is new to whom? New to him. Nevertheless, B takes away your things, but his mind is agitated. He inquired about you in the village. He comes to learn about your broad and loving art. He repents. He begs your pardon. Return you your things and leave off the stealing habits. He becomes your servant and you find for him honorable employment. This is the second method. Thus you see different means have brought about totally different result. I do not wish to deduce from this that robbers will act in the above manners of that all will have the same pity and love like you. I only wish to show that fair means alone can produce fair result and that at least in the majority of cases, if not indeed in all, the force of love and pity is infinitely greater than the force of arms. There is harm in the exercise of force, never in that of pity. इसको आपको 766 वर्ड्स पर इसके आंसर देना. Rewrite the following sentences after making necessary correction. Do not make unnecessary changes in the original sentence. Enjoy during the holidays. Whoever works hard, he will win. The man who knocked at the door was Stanger. I asked my college. Uh, I asked my colleague when was he going to his hometown. Beside cloth, the shopkeeper deals with cosmetics too. He is desirous for joining the army. The judge said that the truth always trumped. One should help his friends in difficulty. Sachin Tendulkar is the best batsman India has produced, is not it? More you read, less you understand. Supply the missing word. इसमें आपको fill करना है. Mr. Sharma is senior. Mr. Verma. He is poor to afford traveling by air. Third number, more than 160 million people suffer malaria. Four number, before beware pickpockets. Five number, time and wait for none. Use the correct forms of the verbs given in brackets. You friend for you for over an hour. Wait. It is not worth so much money for this concert. Pay. Third number, when I reach the station, the train leave. Four number, I the Taj Mahal last month visit. Or fifth number, the criminal the victim with a blunt subject attack. Write the antonyms. Write the antonyms of the following: arrival, introvert, scant, safe, mortal. Rewrite the sen- Rewrite the following sentences to directed without changing the meaning. He's too arrogant, listen to advice, change into a complex sentences. Second number है, he said to me, what is your name? Change into indirect speech. Third है, my mother asked me if I had finished by breakfast. Change into direct speech. The people will make him president. Change into passive voice. My pocket has been picked. Change into active voice. He confessed that he was guilty. Change into a simple sentence. He ran fast to reach the bus stop. Change into an interrogative sentence. To the best of my knowledge, he is a vegetarian. Begin the sentence as far as. A.R. Rahman is a versatile music composer. Supply an appropriate tag question. It is a pity that a noble person should suffer. तो change into an exclamatory sentence. Or a B number, use the following words to make sentences that bring out their meaning clearly. Do not change the forms of the verbs. Words no marks will be given for vague and ambiguous sentences. Drought, profitable, plank, deformity, restraint. तो फिर आते हैं सी नंबर पे. Choose the appropriate word to fill in the blanks. Slow and wins the race. Study steady. The farm scientists have discovered a new to combat soil erosion. Device. Third, going back on your word is a of trust. Break. Four, a of cause was following the minister. Float. The businessman tried to a deal with the inspector. Strike, या stop. Use the items, phrases of sentences of your own to bring out their meaning clearly. Do not change the form of the word in spite of a bed of process. Cold War, to rule with an iron hand, to make haste. Thank you very much.